See if that'll work. These should still be loose. Yep. Apologize for the camera work here, but I really can't stick it anywhere except hold it with the left hand and smack the camera with the breaker bar and take the nut off with the other. There it is. Let's see. Now that sun's a little bit in the way. Let's see what we got here. One here, and then there's one here. And this car actually has two catalytic converters. One up underneath this shield here. And I've debated whether or not I should give it a start up once I disconnect the exhaust. Just because I like to make noise. Being a 4-cylinder, won't make much noise. But I don't know if I'm going to break tradition this time or not, but just about every car I've worked on, I've disconnected the... Oh, I'm broken the camera. Just about every car I've just worked on the exhaust on and I've disconnected, I've pretty much... You son of a bitch. Pretty much always started them up, see how loud they were. And it's got the manifold and it's got the part of the catalytic converter there, and I guess you called it a downpipe. This one beats down there. I could be using a ratchet, but it would be much too easy, and I'd have to go back in the house and get it. I think that's off too. Yep. And then all you have to do for this is grab a hold of it, just like so. Push back a little bit and disconnect it. And there you are. And we just go back here. Spill some more tools. Where are we? Come on. Ah, there it is. And then this part. Put it right here. Take this part and pop the supports off. Push the exhaust back a little bit, and it should lay partially on the ground. And you also want to be careful because up in here is another tooth sensor, and it should snap free just like that. That's what you should have when you're done. And down there, that little wire, that's your tooth sensor wire. It doesn't have any pull on it. I released the tabs so that it can hang a little bit freely. You disconnect that, push it aside, and now you have, let's see here, free access to the oil pan here that's really rusty. Back again. Now that the exhaust is off, I have to go up here and take this bracket off, which is attached here, here, and here. That should do it. What was this one, I think? There you go. 12 mil. One's loose, I think. Yep. It's loose. There's one right, hopefully you can see right here, that goes into the, I think it's catalytic converter, yeah. That's loose. That's going to be the toughie. Right here. That should make it a lot easier. Shouldn't say anything now, but I'm surprised I haven't twisted one of these off yet. I've been damn lucky the butts doing this exhaust. I'm loose. The car doesn't have that many miles on it. It's rusting pretty good from all the salt. Okay. Jesus Christ. Some wise ass to have to stick a bolt up in there. And I can call him a wise ass or dumb ass, whatever I want, because that person was me. I apologize for the camera angles, folks. Got a tight space to work in. Try and let some of that run out. There we go. Because I know when I pull this, there's going to be a little bit of a gush of it. Always is. With all this oil you see running down, or if you can hear it, usually runs straight down across that bracket, combined with the oil leaking from the oil pan, runs onto my flex pipe, and you smell burning oil for thousands of miles. And my battery's going dead. Here she goes. Boy, that oil is black. Damn. It's about the best shot I can get right now. I'm trying. I'll jack her up in the air a little bit more. RTV. Surprised I had these torqued before, but again, my fat head's rubbing for the camera. Those are all loose. Should be right about here. Just gonna try and. There you go. Sew it. Okay. That's part of the pan. Wait a minute. Hold on. Well, that's an engine. Let's turn the old backlight on here. But that's pretty much it. The oil pickup. Not too bad. A little bit of sludge in it, but all I gotta do is clean this baby up. That's what she looks like.